So I just want to quickly go live. I've just finished my workshop and we did some amazing things. So are you ready for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Black Friday weekend? Here's what we did in the workshop. I'm going to share my screen here quickly. So here's what we did in the workshop. Okay, so you have to start using Shopify emails, because you can email to all your customers in Shopify about all your new sales. The templates are amazing. So this is a mine. Let me have a look here. Hug Patrol. Let's have a look at, we've been doing quite a few with Hug Patrol. So you go into marketing. We've been creating campaigns. And these are all, Lynn's just used all the what are they called? Templates that Shopify have been adding, right? Isn't that amazing? And these, obviously these are draft, so these you can actually add, like she has here, added for Facebook posts into your Facebook business page, right? And these are sent already, so it's been a while. Email, Black Friday is not so black at Hug Patrol. These are also sent out already. So, and here you can actually see all your emails have been sent out. It is not automatic. You have to schedule it. If you want to add automatic emails, you have to have an email provider. So what I've done in what's it called? MailChimp is not part of this automation. So let me see here. So what we've done here, we've added, let's see if I've added it already. I did add it in one of the, we go into automations. You can immediately see if you have anything automated. So this was Mario Collections. It's turned on by default. So create automation. So if I've added OmniSend, pretty much the same price of what everybody else is. They will charge you extra, obviously. So will Shopify. If you start sending a lot of emails, everybody is charging. Doesn't matter where you go. Okay. So here is you can actually create some automatic emails, but I don't want to do that right now. All I want to do is create emails for today, for the weekend, for Black Friday. And so here you have, if you're looking at it, no, we don't want automated, we just don't campaigns. So we already sent out these emails. There are a couple that have not been sent out, and this is what you do if you want to create a campaign. All you do is you go in, you go, okay, I want to look at all these emails you can send. I want to send a Shopify email to all the customers that do accept marketing in my Shopify. So here we go. And hopefully you have already created a, see all of this here. Woohoo! So I'm going to start this one. And it's sort of got a little bit of my my colors in there already. Let's have a see. Yeah, it's got my my colors in there already that I have main colors in my website. So start your shopping early. So I'm gonna I just literally grab whatever I have here. Avoid the stress, shipping delays. Add that in here. Create the avoid. Start your shopping early. Okay, that's it. And you can see where it's coming, where it's going. And I only have 7 subscribers, so this is a very small early store. But that's okay. If you don't want your address in here, then you are going to highlight this. And you're going to just add your shop number. If you have a shop number, you have to have something, right? Let's see here. Yeah. So we have a shop number. Review. These are your colors. Unsubscribe. boom, review. And then what you do is it'll come right in here and you can see, let's take that little bit out, it just confuses people. You can see immediately where your email is going. So start your shopping early, send test email. Now I can actually, look at this, had a problem. Oh, okay, there we go. So I'm going to do another screenshot here because I'm collecting these for the book. Okay, so this is what you're going to be adding. Cool, cool, cool. Let's actually do it for later on today, and we'll say 1 p.m. It'll go out to our 5 customers, but it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter how many customers you have, you need to send something out. So if you have customers that you can add, like we do, I'm going to upload some customers we already have. You can upload your customers into Shopify, but you've got to make sure that they accept marketing, and tell everybody, tell Shopify that they accept marketing when you upload. It's true. Accept marketing is true. So I've already scheduled one thing. Okay, so I'm going to untitled rename campaign, and we're going to call this midnight campaign. All right. So now you can add another activity to that campaign, right? So if you want to create another campaign, let's see what this is. It's another email. It's products. So you can add. Let's see here what it can do. Takes a little bit long. Okay, so I want to 15% off all products Cyber Monday. Okay, Black Friday. So I can schedule all these emails out. Okay, so this is a new deal, should be for Sunday. Schedule this for Sunday. This you can schedule for times running out, Black Friday sale ending Saturday. And then something for you, discounts, seasonal sale ends soon. So all of these you can actually schedule, right? So here's one for gift cards. So you can add your gift card. Hopefully you've added your gift card. Let's do this one, select this one. You've added your gift card to your products. So if you've added your gift card to your products, it's not a problem. If you haven't, I'll quickly show you what to do. Looking for a perfect gift. I'll just grab that, pop it in there. Why not let they want? Pop it in here. Boom, boom, boom. Done. All right. Now you've got to add an image for your gift card. If you don't have an image for your gift card in Shopify, no, you don't. Okay. So you need to actually add a gift card image into your gift card products. So again, we'll just have the phone number. We won't have the address. I mean, oh, actually, you know what? We can do the address because we do have a warehouse. Okay. So if you're having your, if you don't want people to, if you're shipping stuff from your home and you don't want your your home address to be on there, just put your telephone number on there. But it has to have something. Okay. So gift card. All right, it's in draft. I don't have a gift card, which is not a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check to see if I have a gift card. And I don't have a gift card. Let's see. And I do actually, but it doesn't have an image, I assume. Yep, it does. Yes, I don't have an image. So I have to add an image to this. So that's all I wanted to do today, is just to show you how you can market in Shopify very quickly. If you haven't prepared anything, just go in and quickly do some emails. At least maybe you'll get a sale or two. You just don't know. So I hope this helped. I will be in, not tomorrow, so happy Thanksgiving. I will be back on Friday to give you some extra tips on how to get things activated for the weekend, especially if you haven't done anything. Bye.